Alright, so Vanity mirror light in 2016-2020 Honda HR-V. Here she is. You've just got a pop from the bottom there, and there's a little clip so it helps if you push up in hard. I'll show you in a moment. This little tool is getting a bit worn out. Before you can see that, push it in. Oops. Out she pops. Just pick that up. Sorry. There we are. Right, so you can see there's a little just a little push, so if you can get your screwdriver in and push up, it'll help to release that from the hole that it's in, and then it's just the standard 2 pins at the other end. Alright, so we've got a 2-watt fuse style bulb, tube style bulb, incandescent. If you're doing a like for like replacement, I'm not sure, I think it might be a 5mm. Don't quote me on that. So anything there, just says up this way, 12 volt, 0.15 amp. On the other end says 12 volt, 0.15 amp. Same thing. Anyway, swapping it out for an LED style like this. This should be much better, especially in this kind of service condition. There we go. Very low powers. Yeah. Okay, we'll put our little cover, clip that back in that end first, and just push in there. That's it. Nice. Much brighter.